So recently we all came to know that Paytm FASTag cannot be used going forward. So we are in a compulsion to change our FASTag. Even I'm in the same situation. So for this I'm going to use a glass cleaner or soap water and an eraser and a scraper. It's not necessary that we have to use glass cleaner. Even a normal soap water is more than enough for this purpose. But since I already have a glass cleaner, I'm going to use this. And it's going to be a very simple process. So let's go directly into the content. So this is how the FASTag is being affixed to our car glass window, windshield. If we try to remove this with our bare hand, it will be difficult because it's been stuck over here for a long time due to heat and everything, right? It would have got attached to the glass very tightly. So if I try to put it with my bare hand, the first layer of the FASTag comes out, but still there is a huge amount of residue left over. And removing that, we need to give more pressure, but still it's possible. Yes. And even after removing this, we could see some residue, right? So this is the tricky part and the time consuming part in this whole process. So to remove this, what I'm going to use is a normal eraser. So I believe you guys could relate what I'm trying to do. So when we use an eraser on these kind of surfaces, it will create heat, and in that heat the gum will get dissolved and it comes out. The same concept. So to some extent the eraser works at the initial point of time, as you can see, but it's not working fully. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray my glass cleaner or soap water, and I'll be using my scraper to remove the leftover residue to some extent. And here people may get a doubt whether using scraper will scratch or damage the windshield. For sure no, because we are not going to use the scraper's full power on a glass window, rather we are going to give its potential only on the leftover residue or gum. So if you see video, you may have fear that you will get scratches in the windshield, but for sure no. When you give a try, you can understand that. Just removing the upper layer of gum, that's all, and that too to some extent. And then what we can do is again the same eraser concept. Rub it well with the eraser. Also, as this part is behind the IRBM, we have to give much more pressure since we have to bend our hand to access this place. As you can see, most of the leftover residue has came out by using this eraser. The only thing is, when we use eraser, the white color particles will keep on falling. So for that, it's always better to cover your dashboard with a cloth before doing this. There is only a single dot left over. Apart from that, we have cleared completely. Yes, even that's gone now, and we are good. So again, we will just do a small wipe with our glass cleaner, and as you can see, there is not even a single mark left over with our previous FASTag. Now, let's take our new FASTag and place it or stick it in its right position. Ensure that you are sticking right in the middle. So that's it, guys. With this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.